Hey, what's up everyone? I welcome you once again to one of my tutorials. In this session I will be talking about this. Each time I force click one time on my trackpad, a dictionary pops up, and after some time I can tell you it is pretty annoying. It is really very easy to turn this off. You just go here, then System Preferences, Trackpad, and under Point and Click, turn off this feature here, Lookup and Data Detectors. I uncheck this now, I will close the window, and now when I will try the same thing, it doesn't work anymore. This is how you turn off the annoying lookup or dictionary feature on your Mac. And if you wanna turn it back on, you already know, you just need to click this Apple icon here, go to System Preferences, select Trackpad, and check this feature back on. And then it will start working again. And that's it. That's how you turn this feature off and turn it back on whenever you need. Please like, comment, and if this is the first time you are watching one of my videos, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.